Hace mucho calor, Che se está comiendo su ice cream. Y Chechi. Toma, mami, toma.
I know what happens when you get upset.
You do?
Bad things happen, right?
Sometimes.
Hace mucho calor, Che se está comiendo su ice cream. Y Chechi. Toma, mami, toma.
I know what happens when you get upset.
You do?
Bad things happen, right?
Sometimes.
Okay, YouTube wanna put this in short, so I'm going to add something because I cried no stop for 2 weeks. So now I am angry, and I want these people pay for what they do to her. This is not the end of what happened to her because I saw something after she died, but I'm not going to share it. I'm going to share what suppose I have to say it. I have some videos I did long time ago when I prove it with videos when this is just a movie. That was a movie proving the mind of humans are passing or are what is the word? Transfer to animals. I did a video before. These evil people do this. Chelsea, when I hugged her, Poopy, 6 months, 8 years, 8 months, she was always scared to cross the street because it's too many cars here. I never see a dog so scared. She had to cross the street like I carry like a baby. She was shaking always and have to carry like a baby. And I didn't know what was that. So now I know that's what I'm sharing. Because she remembered still when she was puppy, like 6 months, 4 months, 8 months, she still remembered she died in a car accident. Because when she died, when they murdered her with witchcraft, she died that in the most horrible thing, in a car accident. That was horror, fatal, fast in the brain. That was the most horrible thing I see in my life. And now I understand. She always I say to all my family and friends, she is not a dog. She is human. Actually, I have a dream when in the Bible said that humans are sleeping in the dark place. In my dream, I picked up her from the dark place. And after that, I have a dream like she was a beautiful woman with brown eyes and black hair. And she told me thank you because I rescued her. They left her in the street in the box. Yes, in the box. So now, what I'm trying to say, even people we don't believe me now, they're going to believe you maybe in 50 years, 100 years. Because all these videos are going to be record like the Bible say. Other universes are listen all this. This is my proof. Humans, the mind of humans, who are the souls of humans, are transferring into animals. Yes, and this is not a joke. I have to say what I saw. I have to say what I see when Chelsea died. I see her breath. Also, she was dead for 5 minutes, and still, when I turn my head and see her, it's like a breath go out of her body, and like, and when I see her body, it's like a balloon. No, a balloon. How I say, like, I don't know if I can edit this video. It's like desinflar. I want to try to edit this desinflar. It's like, and her body get like so weird. That's what I see. My proof. After she died, she have a soul. She have a soul because she was human. Okay? Because according with the Bible, most of us, we don't have a soul. We are empty. But she was human because I take her of the dark place where in the Bible I prove that real humans are sleeping in the dark place. I prove with the Bible. So now these demons, people, or whatever the things they are, they do something criminal to us. They put in souls of humans inside animals. And I want justice. I want justice for her. And I want justice for all these humans, all these souls. They are transferring into animals. I will never forget what they do to her. Never. Never, never. It's not my forgiveness. You want these people, what they do? After she was dead, I have a dream. They show me who killed my dog. Who killed her, because she was even a dog for me. 2 people. I see who killed her. And I'm not going to say names. But when I saw her and him was a male and female, when I turned my head, I see they transform into some vampires with her teeth, but they were monsters. Monsters, really horrible. Not even like the vampires we see in the movies. They were worse than that. They were very small. They don't have bodies. And they say, because what we did, Now we become vampires. That's what in my dream they say. Because she was murdered. It's supposed I have to die because they say they're coming from me. And she died for me. She died for me in the most horrible way. Because this is not the first attack I have. And I want all the justice and all the gods, or the God, or the creator, or all everything exists, and all this creation. I want the big punishment for killing her. The big punishment.